Dear students of class 12th, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is from classical genetics, that is multiple alleles. So far we have discussed dominance, incomplete dominance, codominance, pleiotropy. Now our today's topic is multiple alleles. Usually we see that a Mendelian gene or a factor has two alternate forms called it is alleles. And there are two alleles for each character. Each gene has two allelic forms. We see that in Mendelian genetics, in Mendelian factors, each factor has two alternative forms. For example, tallness and dwarfness are two alternatives of the same trait. They occupy the same gene locus on homologous chromosomes. See, usually Mendelian factor or gene has two alternate forms. Called alleles. This is usual, this is Mendelian. Each gene has two alternate forms called alleles. These alleles occupy the same gene locus, same gene locus on homologous chromosomes. हर मेंडेलियन जीन, हर मेंडेलियन फैक्टर को ही हम जीन कहते हैं, जिसको मेंडल ने फैक्टर कहा उसको जॉनसन ने जीन कहा. हर जीन और हर मेंडेलियन फैक्टर के दो ऑल्टरनेटिव फॉर्म्स जो होते हैं, उनको हम alleles कहते हैं. The two alternatives of a gene are called alleles. Usually, each Mendelian gene or factor has two alleles. These alleles have a characteristic feature that they occupy the same gene locus, same position. The two alleles of a gene occupy the same position on homologous chromosomes. Chromosomes which are having same gene content, which are actually similar and which undergo pairing, they are referred as homologous chromosomes. Which occupy the same gene locus on homologous chromosomes. Mendelian gene has two alternative forms which occupy the same position on homologous chromosomes. These two alternatives of the same gene are called alleles. Alleles are alternative forms of the same gene. For example, tallness and dwarfness. Are two alleles of the same gene. which control the different forms of the same character. Character is height. Tallness indicates height, dwarfness indicates height. The alleles or alternatives of the same gene which occupy the same position on homologous chromosomes are referred as alleles. This is usual. It is Mendelian. But we see that there are many instances in plant biology, in animal biology. We come across with many evidences. In living world, we come across with many examples wherein the two alleles of a gene are usual, wherein there are more than two alleles. Many genes have more than two alleles. More than two alleles or more than two alternative forms of a gene which occupy the same gene locus on homologous chromosomes and control the expression of different phenotypic forms of the same trait are called multiple alleles. Certain genes have more than two alternative forms. Normally, one gene has two alternative forms. One gene has two alleles. But certain genes have more than two forms. More than two alternatives. More than two alternatives of the same gene, more than two alternatives of the same gene which occupy the same gene locus on homologous chromosomes. More than two alternatives of the same gene which occupy the same gene locus on homologous chromosomes and control the expression of different phenotypic forms of the same trait are called multiple alleles. देखिए बेटा, हमने नॉर्मली बता दिया जो मेंडेलियन जीन है, जो मेंडेलियन फैक्टर है, उसके दो ऑल्टरनेटिव्स है। ये जरूरी नहीं मैंने टॉलनेस डॉर्फनेस की बात की। सपोज मैं कलर की बात करता हूं, पी प्लांट में उसने जो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए वहां सीड की शेप थी, उसके दो ऑल्टरनेटिव थे, राउंड रिंकल्ड, वहां सीड का कलर था येलो ग्रीन। इसी तरह से वहां फ्लावर की पोजीशन थी एक्सिलरी टर्मिनल, यानी हर जीन के वहां पे दो ऑल्टरनेटिव थे। उन दो ऑल्टरनेटिव्स को हम अलील्स ऑफ द सेम जीन कहते हैं। यानी वन जीन हैज टू अलील्स इफ वी गो टू मेंडेलियन जेनेटिक्स, बट देयर आर मेनी इंस्टेंसेस, देयर आर मेनी एग्जांपल्स wherein certain genes have more than two alternative forms, and more than two alleles to be appropriate. Certain genes have more than two alternative forms, more than two alternatives of the same gene, more than two alternatives of the same gene which occupy the same position, same gene locus, means same position on the homologous chromosomes, and control the expression of different phenotypic forms of the same trait. जो डिफरेंट ऑल्टरनेटिव्स एक जीन के हैं, दो से ज्यादा ऑल्टरनेटिव्स जो एक जीन के हैं, वो एक ही कैरेक्टर के डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, कंट्रोल करते हैं। दे कंट्रोल द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ द सेम कैरेक्टर एंड हैव सेम पोजीशन ऑन होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम, दैट इज दे ऑक्यूपाई द सेम जीन लोकस। These more than two alternatives of the same gene which control the same character and have same position on homologous chromosomes are referred as multiple alleles. Now the question is, where from these alleles arise? Multiple alleles actually represent the mutant form of the original gene, that is wild type. Multiple alleles arise due to mutation. Multiple alleles arise due to mutation of wild type. Allele is a mutant of wild type. Wild type means which has not undergone mutation. When a wild type mutates, its mutant form is its allele. The different alleles of a gene, different alleles of a gene are formed as a result of mutation of a gene. That is, alleles represent the mutant forms. That is, alleles represent the mutant forms. Alleles represent the mutant forms. For instance, for example, we have gene A. Gene A mutates. Gene A mutates and forms its allele A. Gene A, capital A, mutates and forms its allele A. Gene A mutates and forms its allele A. Both A and A can mutate further. Both A and A can mutate further. Both A and A can mutate further. A and A can mutate further and form A1, A2, A3, A4, etc. मेरे कहने का मतलब इस तरह से है, जो हम कहते हैं one gene has two alleles. Where from the alleles come? Alleles arise when the original one gets mutated. So allele is mutant form of the wild type. But if a gene gets mutated once, it has two alleles. If it is mutated number of times, multiple alleles indicate that a gene can be mutated number of times. Multiple alleles indicate that a gene can be mutated number of times. Multiple alleles prove that multiple alleles prove that a gene can be mutated. Multiple alleles prove that a gene can be mutated number of times. Multiple alleles prove that a gene can be mutated number of times. One gene can mutate many times. When one gene mutates number of times in different directions, it gives different allelic forms. हाँ, यहां पे एक बात मैं क्लियर करना चाहता हूं. Yes, in a population, that is in gene pool, there can be many alternatives of the same gene. There can be occurrence of many alleles of the same gene. But an individual always has only two alleles of the same gene, one on each homologous chromosome, because an individual is diploid. And a gamete or a haploid cell has always a single allele for each character, as there is single set of chromosomes. ये नोट कर लीजिएगा. Despite the occurrence of Despite the occurrence of many alleles, despite the occurrence of many alleles of a gene, despite the occurrence of many alleles of a gene in gene pool, total set of genes in a population is called gene pool. Despite the occurrence of many genes in gene pool, an individual always have an diploid individual always has only two alleles. An individual always has only two alleles, one on each homologous chromosome. Despite the occurrence of many alleles, despite the occurrence of many alleles of a gene in gene pool, an individual has always only two alleles. Because an individual is diploid, it has two sets of chromosomes. So, two alleles for each character. The haploid cell or gamete, the haploid cell or gamete has only one allele. Yes. बेटा मैं आपको कह रहा हूं कि एक जीन को जब दो से ज्यादा अल्टरनेटिव्स होंगे जो सेम कैरेक्टर को कंट्रोल करते हैं, डिफरेंट फिनोटिपिक फॉर्म्स ऑफ द सेम कैरेक्टर, और जिनकी पोजीशन होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम्स पे जिनका जीन लोकस सेम होगा, हम उनको मल्टीपल एलील्स कहते हैं। ये मल्टीपल एलील्स आते कहां से? वायर फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन। देयर आर मेनी ओरिजिन्स। they may arise from pseudo alleles, they may arise from transposition of heterochromatic region, but most commonly they arise from mutation of the already existing gene. When a gene gets mutated number of times, it gives many alternatives, different alternatives of the same gene which control the same character and have the same position on the homologous chromosomes are referred as multiple alleles. Agreed that there are many alleles of a gene in gene pool, but an individual has always two alleles, two forms, one on each homologous chromosome. And a gamete has single allele for each character. A gamete has single form, one copy, only one copy, because a gamete has single set of chromosomes. Gamete is haploid. Multiple alleles are actually representing the different forms of the same character. They are mutant forms of the same gene. They are the result of mutation. There is no crossing over. Crossing over is absent in multiple alleles. Crossing over is absent in multiple alleles. Crossing over is absent in multiple alleles. मल्टीपल अलील्स में क्रॉसिंग ओवर नहीं होता है. द मोड ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस ऑफ मल्टीपल अलील्स इज रेफर्ड एज मल्टीपल अलीलिज्म. द मोड ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस of multiple alleles is referred as multiple allelism. ये मल्टीपल अलील्स हमें बताते हैं कि एक जीन बहुत बार म्यूटेट हो सकता है. They prove us, they give us an evidence that a gene can be mutated a number of times, and these multiple alleles increase the number of possible genotypes. क्रॉसिंग ओवर मल्टीपल alleles में नहीं होता है. इंटरचेंज ऑफ क्रोमोसोमल सेगमेंट्स, क्योंकि इनका जीन लोकस सेम है, तो इनके दरमियान कहां से क्रॉसिंग ओवर होगी? क्रॉसिंग ओवर इनमें नहीं होता है. Their inheritance from parents to offspring we refer as multiple alleles. The inheritance of multiple alleles from parents to offspring is referred as multiple alleles. Multiple alleles increase the number of possible genotypes. Multiple alleles increase the number of possible genotypes. Multiple alleles increase the number of possible genotypes. Genotypes कितने बनेंगे ये बढ़ जाता है जितना अलील नंबर बढ़ेगा. The latter can be calculated by the formula n by 2 into n plus 1. Now the question is, what is n? N is the number of alleles, where n is the number of alleles. अगर number of alleles 2 होगा, suppose number of alleles is 2, for example, for two alleles, it will be 2 by 2 into n plus 1, that is 3. For two alleles, the number of genotypes is, for two alleles, the number of genotypes is 3. For two alleles, number of genotypes is 3. For three alleles, number of genotypes is 6. For three alleles, number of genotypes is 6. For four alleles, number of genotypes is 10. For four alleles, number of genotypes is 10. And we can count the number of genotypes by knowing this formula. N by 2 into n plus 1. Number of genotypes इसके बराबर है. What is n? N is the number of alleles. N is number of alleles. Multiple alleles increase the number of possible genotypes. They increase the chances of survival. Multiple alleles increase the competitiveness of an individual. Competitiveness of an individual. In the struggle, for instance, in the struggle for existence, it is essential for natural selection, which enhances the chances of and enhances the chances of natural selection. Natural selection ये ऑल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शंस प्रोवाइड करता है जिससे इंडिविजुअल के सर्वाइवल के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. This is an attribute of multiple alleles. Multiple alleles have some characteristics. They are transmitted from parents together. Moreover, multiple alleles do not undergo crossing over. That is absent. Multiple alleles have same gene locus. Multiple alleles prove that a gene can be mutated number of times. Moreover, multiple alleles provide alternative options, thereby increase the competitiveness of an individual in the struggle for existence and enhance the chances of survival. Natural selection. Natural selection के लिए important है. Competitiveness of an individual in the struggle for existence. Multiple alleles ये हमें क्लियर करते हैं कि alternatives बढ़ सकते हैं, जीन नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स म्यूटेट हो सकता है. लेकिन मैंने बार बार आपसे ये क्लियर किया कि पॉपुलेशन में एक से ज्यादा फॉर्म्स हो सकते हैं एक अलील की, लेकिन एक इंडिविजुअल में दो ही फॉर्म्स है, दो ही अलील, और एक गैमीट में एक ही अलील. सम कॉमन एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मल्टीपल अलील्स आर some common examples of multiple alleles include some common examples of multiple alleles include number 1, eye color in Drosophila. Eye color in Drosophila, fruit fly. Drosophila, fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster is actually very important in biochemical research, in genetic research. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा काम किया है. थॉमस हंट मॉर्गन एक्सपेरिमेंटल जेनेटिक्स पे उसने बहुत काम किया है. उसको फ्लाई मैन ऑफ जेनेटिक्स कहते हैं क्योंकि उसने सबसे ज्यादा काम ड्रासोफिला पे किया है. आई कलर इन ड्रासोफिला इज हैविंग (15 alleles. There are 15 alleles which govern the eye color in Drosophila. Similarly, wing size. Wing size in Drosophila has 5 alleles, 5 to 6 alleles. Yes, 6 alleles. 6 alleles. There are 6 alleles for wing size. Similarly, coat color in rabbit has 4 alleles. जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल हम देते हैं मल्टीपल अलील्स की, दैट इज ह्यूमन ब्लड ग्रुप्स. देयर आर 3 अलील्स फॉर ह्यूमन ब्लड ग्रुप्स. ह्यूमन ब्लड ग्रुप्स have 3 alleles. 3 alleles. There are hundreds of alleles in case of self-incompatibility in plants. लेकिन आपसे बार बार जो पूछा जाता है that is human blood groups. आपके पेपर में क्वेश्चन आता है what is multiple allelism? Explain it in the light of human blood groups. Human blood groups से हमें 2 जेनेटिक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होते हैं. एक तो हुआ ये मल्टीपल अलीलिज्म, मोर देन 2 अलील्स. दूसरा है इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज कोडोमिनेंस. Inshallah, in next lecture, if God permits, I will discuss how human blood groups explain multiple allelism and how they explain codominance. God bless you.